Welcome back sa aking channel at sa videong ito, detalyado akong magtatalakay ng solving problems involving similar triangles. Kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, ikaw ay mag-subscribe upang tuloy-tuloy ang iyong pag-aaral at maging updated sa mga susunod pang mga videos. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding parts are in equal proportions. Problem number 1. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ if distance AB equals 9 cm, distance XY equals 15 cm, and distance AC equals 6. What is the length of XZ? Maliwanag naman sa problem na sa dalawang triangles, ang AB ay 9, ang XY ay 15, ang AC ay 6, at ang hinahanap ay ang distance XZ. At dahil nga similar ang dalawang triangles, ibig sabihin ang kanilang corresponding parts are in equal proportion. Kaya meron tayong AB over AC equals XY over XZ. By substitution, ang AB ay 9, ang AC ay 6, ang XY ay 15, at ang XZ ang ating hinahanap. By cross multiplication or by cross product, 9 times XZ equals 6 times 15. 6 times 15 equals 90. To remove 9 from XZ, divide both sides by 9 para makancel ang 9. So, ang matitira na lamang ay XZ, and 90 divided by 9 equals 10. Therefore, sa problem na ito, ang distance ng XZ ay 10 centimeters. Problem number 2, the ratio of the areas of two triangles is 4:7. If their areas differ by 36 squared centimeter, what is the area of the larger triangle? At dahil nga nawawala yung area ng big triangle, we will let X be the area of the larger triangle. Dahil dyan, papalitan natin yung area ng big triangle of X. So, meron na tayong X minus the area of small triangle equals 36. Continue tayo pag-solve para mahanap nga natin ang area ng small triangle. Transpose natin yung 36 from right to negative 36 to the left. At yung area of small triangle from negative to the left to positive to the right. Dahil dyan, X minus 36 will represent the area of the smaller triangle. Sunod natin gagawin, isolve na nga natin yung area ng larger triangle gamit ang ating original proportion. By substitution, it will become X minus 36 all over X equals 4 over 7. Using cross multiplication, we have 7 times quantity X minus 36 equals 4X. Tuloy lang tayo pag-solve. Alisin natin ang parenthesis gamit ang distributive property. 7 times x equals 7x. 7 times negative 36 equals negative 252 equals 4x. Sunod, combine natin ang like terms. Yung positive 4x, transpose natin sa kaliwa, maigi siyang negative 4x. Yun namang negative 52, lipat natin sa kanan, maigi siyang positive 252. Sunod, combine natin ang like terms. 7x minus 4x equals 3x. Para nga makancel ang 3 sa 3x, divide tayo ng 3 both sides. 252 divided by 3 equals 84. At dahil nga ang value ng x ay 84 representing the larger triangle, so ibig sabihin ang area ng larger triangle ay 84 squared centimeters. Problem number 3, a triangle with sides 5 cm, 8 cm, and 10 cm respectively is to be enlarged so that the longest side becomes 20 cm. How long is the shortest side become? Just because in the smaller triangle, 5 is the shortest and 10 is the longest, let us name the larger triangle as X, Y, and 20, where 20 is the longest and X is the shortest. In other words, we are solving for the value of X. And since the triangles are similar, the equal ratios are 5 over X equals 8 over Y equals 10 is to 20. Since we are solving for x, our equation to solve is 5 over x equals 10 over 20. By cross multiplication, we have 5 times 20 equals 100, which is equivalent to 10x. Divide both sides by 10 to eliminate 10 from x. 100 divided by 10 equals 10. Since x is equal to 10 and x is equal to the shortest side, therefore the measure of the shortest side equals 10 centimeters. Problem number 4. How high is the flagpole if it casts a shadow of 5.4 meters and at the same time a 2-meter flagpole casts a shadow of 1.2 meters long? Since we have similar right triangles, let x be the height of the flagpole and the equal proportion will be x over 5.4 equals 2 over 1.2. By cross product, we have x times 1.2 equals 1.2x, 2 times 5.4 equals 10.8. To remove 1.2 from x, divide both sides by 1.2. Cancel 1.2 equals x, 10.8 divided by 1.2 equals 9. Since x equals 9, it means that the height of the flagpole is equal to 9 meters. Problem number 5. The sides of a triangle have lengths 8 centimeters, 14 centimeters, and 18 centimeters respectively. What is the perimeter of the bigger similar triangle if the length of the longest side is 27 centimeters? Let us name the two other sides of the bigger triangle x and y respectively. The equal ratios are 8 over x equals 14 over y equals 18 over 27. To solve for the sides x and y, first we have 8 over x equals 18 over 27. And to solve for y, we have 14 over y equals 18 over 27. Applying cross multiplication, we have 8 times 27 equals 18x. To eliminate 18 from x, divide both sides by 18. Cancel ang 18, we have x. Cancel also 27 and 18. We have 3 on the numerator and 2 on the denominator. Cancel again 8 and 2. We have 4 on the numerator and 2 is eliminated on the denominator. The remaining numbers are the value of x, which are 4 and 3 if multiplied equals 12. So, the value or the measure of side x equals 12 centimeters. Same solution to find the measure of side y by cross product. 14 times 27 equals 18y. To eliminate 18, divide both sides by 18. So we have y. Again, cancel 27 and 18. We have 3 on the numerator, 2 on the denominator. Cancel also 14 and 2. We have 7 on the numerator. 2 is eliminated on the denominator. So 7 times 3 is 21. The measure of side y is 21 centimeters. Since we have now the measures of the 3 sides of the bigger triangle, we can now solve its perimeter by adding the measures of the 3 sides. The formula is the perimeter equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3, which is equivalent to x plus y plus 27. By substitution, we have 12 plus 21 plus 27 equals 60. It means that the perimeter of the larger or bigger triangle equals 60 centimeters. Problem number 6. Triangle ABC and triangle GHI are similar. The sides of triangle ABC are 12 centimeters, 15 centimeters, and 21 centimeters. And the perimeter of triangle GHI is 64 centimeters. Find the lengths of the sides of triangle GHI. Since the two triangles are similar, their equivalent proportions are 12 over HG equals 15 over HI equals 21 over GI. And further equal to the perimeter of triangle ABC over the perimeter of triangle GHI. The perimeter of triangle ABC equals 12 plus 15 plus 21 equals 48 over the perimeter of triangle GHI, 64 from the given. To simplify 48 over 64 using 16 as the greatest common factor, so we have 3/4. To solve for the measures of the sides of triangle GHI, which are HG, HI, and IG, equate each of them to 3/4. Again, by cross multiplication, 12 times 4 equals 48. 3 times HG equals 3HG. Divide both sides by 3 to eliminate 3, so we have HG. 48 divided by 3 equals 16. It means that the measure of HG equals 16. To solve for HI by cross product, we have 60 equals 3HI. Divide both sides by 3 to eliminate 3 from HI. 60 divided by 3 equals 20. The measure of HI equals 20. For IG, 21 times 4 is 84 equals 3IG. Divide both sides by 3. So we have IG equals 28. By that, we can now say that the lengths of the sides of triangle GHI are 16, 20, and 28 centimeters. Seventh and last problem, the areas of two similar triangles are 144 and 81 square units. If the base of the larger triangle is 30 centimeter, what is the length of the corresponding side of the smaller triangle? Since the two triangles are similar, its corresponding parts are in equal proportion. In symbol, we have A sub 1 all over A sub 2 equals B sub 1 all over B sub 2, where A sub 1 and B sub 1 representing the area and base of the larger triangle, and A sub 2 and B sub 2 representing the area and base of the smaller triangle. By substitution, we have 144 over 81 equals 30 over B sub 2. To solve the proportion using a cross product, we have 144 B sub 2 equals 30 times 81. If 30 times 81 is multiplied, the product is 2,430. To cancel 144 from B sub 2, divide both sides by 144. 2,430 divided by 144 equals 16.875. It means that the length of the corresponding side or base of the smaller triangle is 16.875 centimeters. Again, kung nakatulong sa inyo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at pakishare mo na rin para makatulong din tayo sa iba.